The 2008 GMC Yukon XL 1500 SLT. Powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine. With a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this vehicle, with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This GMC features towing package, oversized premium wheels, front and rear side airbags, and tilt wheel. Safety features include OnStar, StabiliTrak, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include navigation system, DVD entertainment system, and third-row seating. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax."